Welcome to AI Uncovered News, where today we're exploring a groundbreaking innovation in personal technology, the AI Pin. This device is more than just a step forward. It's a giant leap into how we interact with technology, AI, and the world around us. The AI Pin is not just another addition to the tech market. It represents a paradigm shift in how we think about and use personal devices. Available in 3 elegant colorways, Eclipse, Lunar, and Equinox, it's a testament to the fusion of form and function. It's a device that doesn't just fit into your life, it enhances it. Let's talk about the design. The AI Pin comprises 2 integral parts, a sophisticated computer and a powerful battery booster. This combination is the secret behind its all-day battery life, setting a new standard in the realm of portable devices. You can easily swap the battery booster from your pocket or bag, ensuring uninterrupted usage. This perpetual power system is a game changer, ensuring that your AI companion is always ready. Now, let's address a common concern with modern tech: privacy. The AI Pin is designed with your privacy in mind. It doesn't eavesdrop on your conversations or record you without your consent. It springs into action only when you interact with it, whether it's through touch, voice, gesture, or its innovative laser ink display. This approach to user interaction is not just refreshing, it's respectful of your personal space and privacy. Connectivity is seamless with the AI Pin, thanks to its built-in Humane network, powered by T-Mobile. This ensures that wherever you go, your AI Pin is always connected, always ready to assist. This kind of ubiquitous connectivity opens up a plethora of possibilities, from real-time translations to instant access to information, all without the need for a separate mobile device. At its core, the AI Pin is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset, known for its speed and efficiency. This is crucial for a device centered around AI functionality. It's not just about processing power, it's about delivering a smooth, responsive experience that feels natural and intuitive. In terms of sensory capabilities, the AI Pin is equipped with an ultra-wide RGB camera, trust light depth sensor, and motion sensors. These aren't just for capturing images or videos, they're for understanding your environment, your gestures, and even your emotional cues. The AI Pin is designed to be an extension of your senses, augmenting your perception and interaction with the world. The audio experience with the AI Pin is equally impressive. Its specialized speaker system creates a sound bubble that can be as intimate as a whisper or as expansive as a concert hall. This isn't just about listening to music or taking calls. It's about experiencing sound in a whole new way. But what truly sets the AI Pin apart is its commitment to security and privacy. The Trust Light and Privacy chip are not just features, they're statements of principle. They ensure that you're always aware of when the device is recording or sensing, giving you complete control over your data and privacy. In an age where digital security is a paramount concern, the AI Pin stands out as a beacon of trust and transparency. As we delve deeper into the AI Pin's capabilities, we discover its true potential. It's not just a device, it's a personal assistant, a health coach, a shopping advisor, and so much more. Its ability to curate AI-driven experiences on the fly, without the need for traditional apps, is revolutionary. It understands your needs and preferences, bringing you the right information and tools at the right time. For example, let's look at its music capabilities. The AI Pin can curate playlists not just based on genres or artists, but on how music makes you feel. Want to hear songs written by your favorite songwriter, but performed by different artists? The AI Pin can do that. It's about experiencing music in a way that's deeply personal and tailored to your mood and preferences. But the AI Pin's capabilities don't stop at entertainment. It's a powerful tool for managing your health and nutrition. Let's say you're trying to maintain a balanced diet. The AI Pin can track your nutritional intake, offer suggestions, and even provide you with detailed information about the food you're eating. It's like having a nutritionist in your pocket, one that understands your health goals and helps you achieve them. In terms of communication, the AI Pin redefines messaging. It's not just about sending texts or making calls, it's about communicating in a way that's natural and intuitive. You can dictate messages, and the AI Pin will not only transcribe them, but can also add emotional nuances to your texts. It's about making digital communication feel more human, more personal. One of the most impressive features of the AI Pin is its ability to provide real-time translations and interpretations. Imagine speaking to someone in a different language, and the AI Pin seamlessly translates and relays your conversation in real time. It breaks down language barriers, making the world a smaller, more connected place. The retail experience with the AI Pin is equally transformative. Hold up an item, and the AI Pin can provide you with information about it, compare prices, and even facilitate purchases. It's like having a personal shopper who understands your tastes, budget, and needs. Photography and videography take on a new dimension with the AI Pin. Its camera system captures not just images, but moments, preserving them in a way that feels alive and vibrant. And with its advanced note-taking and recall capabilities, the AI Pin ensures that you never miss a detail, whether it's a business meeting or a personal memo. For data management, the Humane Center provides a centralized platform to interact with your AI Pin. From setting it up to daily usage, everything is streamlined for ease and convenience. This is where the AI Pin's personalization shines. It learns about you, your preferences, and your habits, making each interaction more meaningful and tailored. To further personalize your AI Pin, a range of accessories is available. The clip allows you to attach the AI Pin to clothing or bags, making it a stylish and functional accessory. The latch is perfect for thin or delicate fabrics, ensuring the AI Pin is always with you, regardless of your outfit. The shields not only protect your AI Pin but also let you customize its appearance to match your style. And finally, for those on the go, the charge case is a must-have. Not only does it protect and store your AI Pin, but it also charges it, ensuring you're never without power. Now let's talk about pricing. The AI Pin, starting at $699, offers an entire ecosystem of services and features at an incredible value. This includes syncing and storage solutions, unlimited access to a suite of AI services, and much more, all for a monthly fee of just $24. The AI Pin is not just a product. It's a vision of a future where technology is not just a tool, but a partner. It's about having a device that understands you, adapts to your needs, and respects your privacy. With the AI Pin, we're entering a new era of personal technology, where the boundaries between the digital and the physical world blur, creating a seamless, integrated experience. Thank you for joining us on AI Uncovered News. If you're intrigued by the potential of the AI Pin and want to stay updated on the latest in AI and technology, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the most innovative and exciting developments in the world of AI.